Barsaga,
I abstain.
Marcoleta,
Diyan na.
Madam Speaker, my vote could have gone to either Kong Toby Chanco, Kong Duke Frasco, or Kong Miao Kiko Barsaga. But since they're not on the list because I think they're not ready to run yet, maybe at least not for now, I think the House needs a major institutional change, institutional reforms, not just cosmetic changes.
We are not honoring anyone
Point of
right
order,
now.
Madam Speaker.
We will proceed with the election.
Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Secgen, please proceed.
Just a follow-up question. Congressman Toby Tiangco has blamed your cousin, House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, as well as former House Appropriations Chair Zaldico as one of the culprits behind these schemes. Aside from repeatedly mentioning that the panel will be independent, how do you convince the public that your cousin and other allies, both in the House and in the Senate, would not be spared from the scrutiny of this panel?
Well, there's ano mga tanong? Walang paligay-ligoy, direct to the point.
Only one way to do it, isn't it? They will not be spared.
Right.
Anybody will say, hindi, wala tayong kinikilingan, wala tayong tinutulungan. Wala namang maniniwala sa'yo hanggat gawin mo eh. So, gagawin namin.
Kaya nga. Ikaw yung pumirma ng budget eh. Kung maalala niyo mga kababayan, si dating Pangulong Duterte at si Congressman Ungab ang nagbunyag nung blanco dun sa GAA na unang itinanggi nga po ng executive. At sinabihan pa nga po na nagsisinungaling itong si dating Pangulong Duterte, mga kababayan. So balit nung kinumpirma na ng ibang mga mambabatas na mayroon ngang blanco, humambyo ang Malacanang, mga kababayan. At hanggang sa eto na nga at unti-unti nang lumabas yung mga proyekto, yung mga anomalya. Kaya po naawi sa ganito na una ay nagbitiw itong si Zaldico. At eto na, dating Speaker Martin Romualdez na ngayon. Sino kaya ang susunod? Yan ang abangan natin. Yung susunod na magbibitaw. Yung susunod na aalis sa pwesto. Mukhang yun ang mas exciting, mga kababayan. At yan nga, mga kababayan, panoorin na natin itong talumpati ni Speaker Martin sa kanyang pagbibitiw dito sa bilang House Speaker, mga kababayan. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating channel, ay mag-subscribe ka na at i-click mo na din ang notification bell para maging update ka sa mga susunod pa natin video. Paki-like at paki-share mo na rin ang video ito sa iba pa nating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po. Ito yung huling talumpati ni Congressman Romualdez bilang Speaker. Panoorin pa natin.
I made a solemn commitment that the House of Representatives would be the people's house. Isang kongresong bukas, tapat, at tunay na naglilingkod. Yet leadership also demands that we confront the trials of the president. In his recent State of the Nation address, our president reminded us that accountability must prevail and that no one is above scrutiny. I fully and unequivocally embrace that call. The issues surrounding certain infrastructure projects have raised questions that weigh not only upon me, but upon this institution we all serve. Ang ating mga kababayan ay naghahangad ng linaw at higit sa lahat ng tiwala. Tungkulin natin ito'y may balik. The longer I stay, the heavier that burden grows on me, on this House, and on the President I've always sought to support. And so, after deep reflection and prayer, I have made a decision today with a full heart and a clear conscience I tender my resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Ayun na nga.
I do this so that the Independent Commission on Infrastructure may pursue its mandate freely and fully, without doubt, without interference, without undue influence. Walang pipigil, walang makikialam.
Pero dapat pinauwi mo muna si Saldico bago ko nag-resign. Para mas masaya.
Let the truth emerge and let justice be done. My colleagues, carry forward the work of this institution with unity and resolve. To the Filipino people, never lose faith in democracy, for it remains capable of self-correction and renewal. Mga minamahal kong kababayan, I leave this chamber as I first entered it. A humble servant, ready to serve wherever duty may call. I step down not in surrender, but in service. For sometimes, the greatest act of leadership is the grace to let it go. So that this institution
Baka naman kaya ka nag-resign dahil nakikita mo na yung taong bayan na unti-unti nang nag-aalsa. Lalo na ngayong September 21. Medyo malaki ang paparating na pagtitipon. Abangan natin yan mga kababayan.
may endure stronger before. Madamo nga salamat ayong nga tanan. Mabuhay ang Kongreso ng Taong Bayan. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
At yun nga mga kababayan, dumako na po tayo sa naging botohan nga po dito sa pagpapalit ng leadership dito sa House of Representatives. Panoorin po natin.
For the first district of Misamis Occidental, I'll vote for Faustina D. III.
Alvarez Jose,
Congressman Boji D.
Bernos JB,
Parang inaantok pa to.
from the District of Abra, I vote for
Nagbabasa eh.
Biron,
from the 4th district of the province of Iloilo. We vote
di probinsya ng Ilocos Norte, kahit para kay ni Diputado Faustino Boji D. III.
Barbers,
In behalf of the people of Surigao del Norte, District 2, my vote is for Speaker Faustino D.
Parang hirap na hirap banggitin si Madam.
Maronda,
From the Lone District of Iloilo City, my vote is for Faustino Boji D. III.
Saga,
Yan. Ayan na. Meow-meow na yan.
I abstain.
Nang asar lang eh.
Pasko.
Natawa pa din. Yung nagbabasa, tawa eh.
This representation from the 1st District of Agusan del Sur, I cast my vote to Representative Faustino Boji D. III.
Gloria, Maceda,
From the 4th District of Manila, I vote for Faustino Boji D. III.
Madrona,
OGD.
Malapitan,
Caloocan First District is for Faustino Bojidi.
Mangunda Datu,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. From the Long District of Maguindanao del Sur, my vote goes for Faustino Boji the third.
Manikis,
From the second district of Zambales, Congressman Boji D. Thank you.
Marañon,
Faustino D.
Marcoleta,
Diyan na.
Madam Speaker, my vote could have gone to either Kong Toby Chanco, Kong Duke Frasco, or Kong Miao Kiko Barsaga. But since they are not on the list, because I think they're not ready to run yet, maybe at least not for now, I think the House needs a major institutional change, institutional reforms, not just cosmetic changes.
We are not honoring anyone
Point of
right
order,
now.
Madam Speaker.
We'll proceed with the election.
Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Secgen, please proceed.
Naku po.
Marcos,
Madam Speaker, the First District of Ilocos Norte chooses to vote for Faustino Boji D the third as Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Marquez,
Madam Speaker, from the First District of the Province of Aklan, I vote Honorable Faustino Boji D III for Speaker of the House.
Diyan nga mga kababayan, dumako na po tayo dun sa pagpoproklama na po dito sa bagong speaker. Ito mong si Congressman Boji D. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang mga kababayan, pero parang ngayon ko lang nakita tong congressman na to. Hindi ko alam kung hindi lang siguro siya mahilig sumama sa mga pagdinig kasi matagal na tayong sumusubaybay sa mga ginagawang hearing diyan sa House of Representatives, pero parang hindi natin siya nakikita. At ngayon nga po ay siya na yung bagong speaker mga kababayan.
Majority Floor Leader.
Mahal pong kababayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. I stand before you today with utmost humility and with deep gratitude for the trust and confidence you have accorded me. That trust has been the source of my strength in every day of service. When I assumed this responsibility,
Laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines.
And that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines.
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Speaker.
Congratulations sa ating bagong speaker. At yun na nga mga kababayan, hanggang dito na lang po ang video ito. Kung ano man po ang inyong opinion at reaksyon sa video ito, ay comment nyo lang po sa ibaba. May maging kabahagi po tayong lahat tungo sa pagsulong at pag-unlad ng ating pinakamamahal na bansang Pilipinas. Ingat po kayo palagi at maraming salamat.